Okay, what do I gotta say here? I need to say a couple things. What do I need to say? Okay, my living room is a little bit of a disaster, but that's okay.
One thing you gonna learn about me, ain't nobody putting word like me. Can't drip, can't sauce like me. Whipping it up, I'm a major key. I am the one, not the two or the three. Get on my level if you wanna be better than ever. I got what I need. Pushing the limit, that's how it's gonna be.
One time I heard Adam Savage say that he was talking about, he kept getting cuts on his hand in his shop. He was working and he kept getting injured. And what he said was that these cuts are a consequence of my intention. And, you know, he came to the conclusion basically that his intention was one of haste. And therefore he was getting injured, right? His cuts were a consequence of his intention. My intention has been, is, and will always be to make stuff. So no matter how hard I try to have a regular living room, it always sort of ends up in this sort of state. And I don't mind it personally. I really don't mind it. I like it actually, because this is a consequence of my intention. It's sort of proof of my desire to make stuff. And I wouldn't really want my intention to be any other thing. Like, I'm proud of that being my intention. I'm proud of this being my default state. Like, I don't want a different default state. This is what I want. I want to make stuff. And so my apartment is a reflection of that. Like, screw it, right? Like, I know a dining room is supposed to have a dining room table, and a living room is supposed to have a couch and a coffee table and like a TV stand, and like all these things are supposed to exist in the modern apartment, but that doesn't work for me. I don't like that stuff. So I'm no longer, gone are the days, okay, where I am going to have a conventional living room. That's lame. I'm going to go full workshop mode. I'm gonna clear this out. We're gonna get rid of the stuff that's living room centric and only use this space as a workshop. We're gonna change all this. We're gonna change all this. I just have to get it done before my girlfriend comes back over here. Oh yeah, okay. It's coming together. Or I mean, it's coming apart, I guess. But we got some good room in here now. That's good. Okay. Alright, this is the behind my couch area, kind of where the dining room table used to be. I'm just going to clean some of this stuff up back here, and then I'm going to have an extra, I don't know, 4 feet of space. I'll be able to push the couch back this way, and then the workshop living room will have, like I said, 4 extra feet roughly of space. Couch in the kitchen. Tons of room. Damn. This is great. Okay. Couch is pushed all the way back. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the lathe. Might put it over there, and I have one more piece that's gonna go right here, because no workshop is complete without a workbench. Yeah. Nice. And I got this thing on Facebook Marketplace, and it's pretty freaking sick. And I'll tell you how much I paid for it once it's assembled. I'm really excited about it. That's just the base, but I want it to be the centerpiece of the living room workshop. Just a nice big workbench. So there's a arm mechanism It's in there. It comes up, and then there's a big tabletop. Let's get started on that. Okay, here's this thing. I think this is gonna be kind of a gnarly assembly. All right, now I gotta lift. Let's go for this. Then this sits on top of it. Ugh. Whoops. Okay, let's put this down for a sec. Let's get one more box up here. No, this isn't gonna work. Okay, let's take it off and try something else. Okay. Maybe this is the ticket. Lean it on this thing. This is hard. This thing is heavy. Oh my gosh, this is hard. This is crazy. This is like some gnarly spring-loaded, huge ass heavy piece of mechanical machinery, dude. This is gnarly. This is a two-person job for sure. This thing. Oh. Thanks. Uh-oh. Oh no. Damn it. No. That's not good. Uh-oh. Dude, this is so dangerous. This is seriously terrifying. Okay, I don't know if you can really see this down here, but this is such a gnarly spring-loaded contraption. And on the other side, this piece popped out and shot up. So it was misaligned here, and then this bar fell out. Oh no, did that break? No, how's that supposed to go? Huh? What is this? How is it attached? Okay, there's a thing in there. And then when I had to squeeze it back down, like you have to push down this lever over there so that you can like activate this all. And then I mean, I got it back in, and it was hard though. It was a lot of work. So now I'm gonna tighten all these up. I put the bolts in backwards. Oh, put the bolts in backwards. God damn it. Okay, I got the bolts the right way. Okay, let's get this screwed on as tight as it can go. Alright, I got the big tabletop over there. I'm gonna bring it over, and hopefully I don't kill myself. this thing works like it's supposed to work. Sick. And then it can tilt up. Look at that. Locks it in place. I'm probably mostly going to use it flat, but it's pretty sweet that it could tilt like that too. This is awesome. Dude, I'm loving this. This thing is sick. It's all cleaned up. It's super cool because there's like there's like a little shelving section down here, and then I'll show you here. There's another little shelf, but then there's a super sick like flat storage drawer that pulls out pretty far, and could be cool just to like, you know, I don't know, store. I have these like lots of these things. This is a pattern for a bag that I make. It's a chalk bucket. It's up there. And it'd just be cool to kind of have all these templates like stored away down here for quick, easy access. Anyways, this is badass. I'm gonna move the lathe over here for the time being, I guess. I mean, honestly, I wish I didn't have to keep it in my apartment, but I don't have anywhere else to put it, so it will stay in the apartment for now. Also, good news is this is level. That's great. Front and back, also level. Very nice. That's good news. And that's another cool thing too that I can already tell I'm gonna love. Like just being able to go and, you know, this is gonna be great. Like as I'm cutting fabric, I can be on this side and then I could be over here. One thing that's so hard about working at this is the wall. Like it just gets in the way so much. I can't like throw a big piece of fabric over the edge and like, you know, it's all bunched up against the wall and falling off the side here, and I have like the press over here, and like it's just tough. It's just a small spot to be working on all the time. So I'm so stoked about this. This is so sick. I think I might also get a huge like self-restoring, I think that's what they're called, self-restoring cutting mats. That'd be super tight on here. That way I'm not like cutting up this whatever this is. I don't know what it is, but I don't want to ruin it. I think I'm gonna get rid of this table. And this was another reason that I was stoked about this, is that I have this little cart that I like to wheel around, but the carpet was always getting in the way of it over here. So it's super cool to have this little guy that I could wheel around. My downstairs neighbors probably hate me, dude. What the hell? Could wheel this around, be over here, blah, 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 doing something over here, put it on here, wheel it over here. Oh, man, dude. Come on. Come on, dude. That's sick. You know, wheel it around this side if I need to. It's just like, this is what a workspace should be, you know? This is what it should be. All right. Let's get the lathe over there and clean up a little bit. And then look at us over here, dude. We can be like chatting about our projects. Freaking camera over there, light over there. It's just like, wow. It's what I've always wanted, you know? It's just, I've always wanted this. And now I have it. It's great. And the best part is, I got this for free on Facebook Marketplace. Freaking free, dude. That's so crazy. Oh my god. These things are literally like $2,000, $3,000. So expensive. What's also cool, I'll show you too, is that it has a freaking outlet over here. Like, it plugs in. And then there's like power over here, like on the unit. There's like a box and it has power on it. So I could like plug some stuff in, charge batteries or something. I'll have to plug it in over here. Okay, I have started to make myself comfortable at the workbench. I absolutely love it. It's seriously so sick. If you're new, if this is your first video that you've watched of mine, this channel's typically about the projects that I make. Right now, I'm working on making a backpack, and this is a tape prototype version of it. If you haven't seen any of the videos related to that, you can go and find them on the channel. There will be a playlist linked in the description, or maybe up here if I can figure that out. Yeah, that's typically what we do on this channel. And so if you're interested in seeing that stuff, obviously check it out and subscribe. And if you liked this video, you can subscribe as well. That would mean the world to me. There's only really one thing left to do, and that is to see if it gets the seal of approval from my girlfriend. She's on her way. I hope she doesn't mind hanging out in a workshop from here on out. Let's see how it goes. Okay, you ready?
I guess.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Oh my gosh. It looks good. Wow.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, this is so cool. Have you used this?
Yeah.
Nice.
And then there's like 2 little shelves on each side.
That's awesome too.
Yeah, and it has power. Isn't this thing so sick?
Yeah. I love it. It's more you. I like it. The couch actually looks really good.
Yeah.
So I was afraid that it wouldn't.
Why?
Is this in the kitchen?
Yeah, couch in the kitchen.